Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Okay, so you're going to write the step system displays successful login. So this way you're going to write different design steps in the manual test case, right? And later you feel, okay, now I want to write a script. I want to write a QTP script for this test case. So then what you can do is, in QTP there is a, because this is a manual test case, right? First you need to make this as a QTP script. Okay, so you see in this drop down list here, so there are different options, like how you want to create your automation script. So using different tools, right? Say QTP, WinRunner, WAPI, LoadRunner, and so on. So what are the scripts that you want to generate? You can select the thing from this list. Okay, now I want to create a QTP, quick test. So you can select that menu, and then once you select that, then go to the test script tab. Now it's going to generate the script. Okay, it gives like, do you want to download the actual thing? You say yes or no, it doesn't matter. Now it's going to create the script. You see? So now actually like it generates a template. Okay, actually like it won't develop any script. The quality center, it creates a template, but how you are going to create the scripts is within QTP. You cannot create any scripts in quality center. All the scripting creation, recording, or any stuff will be done within QTP. Only the quality center is basically useful to execute your scripts. But here it's going to generate the template. Even you can launch your QTP script here. Click on this button, and then it's going to open this particular script. So click on this, and now it's going to open QTP. Okay, you see now the script is open, right? And it gives the template. Okay, how you develop the script. Basically, it's going to copy the steps from the manual test case. What you have to do. Say this, even the header it says like this test was created using. So this test was created using HP Quality Center, and then so this is the first step, right? From your manual test case, open application, and then expect result is system plus login window. Now it also says here you have to record your script from here. What are the scripts you want to record, right? That means open application, and you need to verify whether this login window displayed or not. All such things you're going to record here. So how you want to open application? Of course, using system util. So you're going to do that part, development of the script. And then, so this is the application URL. You just copy paste. Right? So that part will be done. How you are going to open application. And now the next part is expect result is system displays the login window. Okay, just probably like you can go with the checkpoints or whatever the stuff. Let's say if you run your script, then it's going to open the script. It's going to open the application, right? Okay, so the application is opened. And now you can do the verification part, right? So this verification part, so you can create all these checkpoints, right? Let's do that. What is the expected result? System displays the login window. So now you're going to record. So click on this record button. And then how you're going to verify the login window displayed or not? Using a standard checkpoint. So go on inside checkpoint and then standard checkpoint. And then click on this login window title. So that confirms, okay, login window is displayed. So there is a checkpoint properties and then click OK. So that completes this particular step, right? This is how just it basically gives you the template and then you can record the script. So then you are done with the first step from your manual test case, the recording part or whatever the script generation. And now we move to the second step. What the second step says, the description is enter username, password and click login. And expect result is system displays successful login. Okay, then you go ahead and continue recording even for this. Okay, so you're going to enter whatever the manual test case says. And then password is Mercury. Then click OK. And then what's the expected result? Login should be successful. That means it should display the flight reservation window. So now we are going to insert one more checkpoint. Okay, say standard checkpoint to verify this reservation window title. So click on this title and then click OK. Then click OK. And then stop recording. So that is your script, right? That's how actually you're going to generate the script. But the college is going to give you a template. So that way the script is done. Okay. Is this clear?
So then we have to save it again in QC or save it in QC?
No, that's just like this particular script is always pointing to the QTP because you launched the script from quality center. It always points to the quality center.
And if you save it, do we have to save it in a particular place or just click save and it will automatically get saved in quality center?
It automatically saves. By default, it's going to save. So you just click save button, that's it. If you want to save somewhere, like if you want to save this particular script onto your system also, then you have to select save as. Otherwise, if you keep hit save button or if you select this save menu, it always selects the quality center because you launched this particular script from quality center, right? So that's where actually it's going to save.
Okay, thanks.
Even if you look at here, on the top right, the title, like where it's pointing this particular script. So this is the location where it's going to save each time. If you want to save the script locally on your system, you want a local copy, then you can select save as. And this time you're going to select file system. Okay? Because file system is your local system where you see your local C drive. And then you can save this script locally on your system. So once you save it, then now it's pointing to C advanced QTP login. Okay. All right. So any other questions on this QTP stuff? Okay. So you're saying basically like Wimpy, this basically like that particular question is not so related here, because that's something like we have to do in manual testing classes. Okay. So how to port your data from Excel to the quality center. I think we did in the basic classes, right? So you have any specific question on that? So if you don't have any specific questions, probably like you just remind me that part. If we get time, I'm going to postpone that to the last session. Okay. So that time I'm going to explain if the things are not clear. Okay, another, this seems like you joined late, but we are discussing here how you can run QTP scripts from Quality Center. Okay, so that's what we are looking at. And if you haven't, you just watch the recorded session anyway. I'm going to upload this, and then if you have any specific questions, then I can answer them in the next class. Okay. All right, fine. So I'm going to close this session. Okay, so basically like I'm not sending these recorded sessions every day, but I'm uploading them. Okay, I'm not sending any email communication each and every day. So please look at the same link. See, another like you send me a couple of mails also. I send an email where you can watch those sessions, and then that's the same link where other people are watching. All right, so then the next thing is the reporting part. Okay, I send emails. Okay, I don't know whether you are getting those emails properly or not. Please check your spam or junk folders. I keep sending emails. Even if you look at here, because you send me specifically they're asking for the link. See, this is the one. Is this your mail ID? Check. This is the one we sent. See, this is your mail ID. No, I'm asking Anuradha. This long, that's what. The link is same. That's what I'm saying. Everybody is watching the recorded sessions from the same link. The link is not going to change every day. Right? This is where you will find all the recorded sessions. So as and when we are done with the session, maybe I'm not uploading on the same day, probably next day or sometime I'm going to upload. You see, the time when this session is done, it's 11 o'clock for me. Maybe I might be tired by the time I'm going to upload the session the next day. Okay. So anyway, that link is going to change. It's the same link where you will find all the sessions. The name and password is also not going to change. Is it changing? Because I basically I don't control those things. Is it change? Yeah. Because to my knowledge, the username and password is not going to change every day. Yeah, that is one time. See, that is first time happens. And then they change the username. After that, nobody is going to change, right? It's the same username. Okay. Okay. Anyway, that usernames, passwords, that's not in my control. So if you have any bad experience, then send an email to training@environments.com. Then we will let you know. Okay. So the next one is the reporting part. So how you are going to report your custom reports in QTP reporting part. So basically, there's a question in the interviews like how you can generate the reports in QTP, right? So using reported.report event method. Basically, reporter is an object, and then report event is method. Say, let me open any of these scripts. So this is a script that we generated, right? So you can generate different reports, right? So basically, like if you look at here, all you did is recording part, but there is no verification part here. So how you can say after login successful, then what you're verifying here? Your script is not doing any verification part, right? So each time, once the login is successful, then it has to say like whether your login is successful or not, and then you're going to write a report. So how to write your script reports effectively? How you can customize your own reports? So that's where basically like what happens is, yeah, we use sometimes the checkpoints, and sometimes you can use this getter or puppet extensively even for the verification part. So you see here these are the objects, right? And then after login, after you click on the once the login is successful, you see the flight reservation window is there, right? Then how you can validate that? So you see this is the flight reservation window object, right? Flight reservation window object. So you can just drag and drop that object, right? So this is a window flight reservation, right? But then in this particular window, you have an object called say dot, and there is a method called exist. What it's going to do? Checks whether that object currently exists in the open application or not. Whether that particular object exists in the open application. That means you are going to verify whether the login flight reservation window exists or not. Right? After you click OK button, whether the flight reservation window displayed, whether it exists or not. So you can check this one. And then you are going to put simple if-else condition, right? If, then. So what is this if-else condition? If this particular window exists, then you are going to write your custom report. So reporter is the object dot report event. Report event is the method. Okay, reporter is the object. Even if somebody asks in the interviews, okay, how you can customize your reports, you can say like using reporter object and report event method. So what this report event method is having different arguments. So what is the first argument? Event status. So you look at after report event, if you hit the space bar, then it's going to give you different options here, right? MSC done, MSC failed, MSC passed, MSC warning, and so on. After login successful, then if this particular window exists, then you're going to say MSC pass. What is MSC? Is Mercury Interactive Class. So if this particular window exists, then I want to pass my script. And then you're going to say report step name. What is report step name? Okay, so here I'm verifying login part. Whether my login successful or not, that is the step, right? And then you're going to say, yes, the login successful. The details of your results. Login successful. And then else. Okay, what is else part? The window, flight reservation window doesn't exist. That means after you click OK button, the flight reservation window is not displayed. Then you're going to put fail, right? So again, you're going to put report dot report event. And then this time you're going to say fail. MSC fail. Because after you click OK button, the reservation window doesn't exist. That means there is something wrong with the application. So you're going to fail your script at this point. Then you're going to say, again, it's a login verification. And then you're going to write your result saying that login not successful. Because the window doesn't exist. And then you're going to first say and if. So this way you're going to write the results. Right? Clear? So how you can customize your reports? Using reported.report event. Similarly, there are just you want to write. Say after the insert done, say now I want to verify. whether the order is successful or not. So the order is done or not. Then you can verify that message and see whether that message is displayed or not. And then you can pass your scripts. So this way you can create your custom reports. Then what happens when you run your script? Okay, so let me run this script. So that it's going to write the results for each iteration. What happened? Why is struggling? There is something wrong. Or there are two windows. Yeah, I don't know. It seems like there are two flight rules windows are open. Let me check. I don't know what are the areas that I checked. That's fine. Okay. Anyway, so let me show you the results. Then how it's going to write. You can run your maintenance mode. Okay. So now if you look at here, say this is how it's going to write the custom results. Right? Say login part, right? So what are the things that you customized here in the script result? Say if the login window is this, flight reservation window is displayed, right? So that's what here. Yes, you got the flight reservation window is displayed. That's what it says. The step name, because like it says now the step is passed, right? MSC passed, the step passed. And then it's going to write what is the step name, say login, this was the login, and this is the result, right? Say it says, okay, login successful. So what are the things that you write here is going to display those results here. You can basically customize your results. You can write your own report. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Reporting part, report event.
Either after reporter dot report event make pass, comma, login. What is this login again? Can you just tell me, please?
This is what.
Is it the name of the window or is it the name of the?
No.
I mean,
Here.
on the application.
What are the things that you put here is going to display that particular step name here. This is the one. Okay. You see the step name here, the login. So what are the things that you put here? This is the step name.
And if you don't put anything in here, then what happens if you just leave it till pass? Then it won't run?
Yeah, because that's the mandatory argument.
Okay.
Because
Thank you.
all those are all the mandatory arguments for this report event. So if you put reported dot report event, so you have to pass this because these three are mandatory. If you see any optional, that means that is an optional. Whether if you don't pass also, then still it works. But this method, say for example here you put MSC pass and then you simply say login successful. then it gives you a message saying that syntax error. So if you run,
so many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.